रही है मैकाटो 15वां एडिशन ते BKSE BK स्टील कंपनी एक कंप्लीट हाउस ऑफ टूल अलॉय एंड स्पेशल स्टील की लेके आए ने BK वाले का पे गल। हाँ जी भाई जी की हाल चाल किवें हो?
Hi, good afternoon, guys. We are from BK Steel Company, Ludhiana, Punjab. We have been dealing in alloy steels, tool steels, die steel, as well as high-speed steels since 1956.
All right, great. So many decades, huh? वाह जी वाह।
Yes. So
तो
we are the third generation who has been dealing in this special steels. This time we have brought materials from SIA Korea, as well as Kind & Company German. Then we have die blocks from Germany. This is H13, this red and green bars.
all right,
Then we also have high-speed steels.
okay,
So basically all these materials are used for die molds, plastic molding.
great.
As
So
well,
if we talk about the quality, durability, and reliability of this product, then where it stands?
this is definitely the world standard for all the tools and dies material.
All right.
Any factory that is, or any workshop, any tool room that is willing to use quality materials, they must contact us.
So can we consider it as a value for money product?
Definitely, this is rather than being a value for money, this is more than value for money, because
Correct.
we are the only ones who are basically supplying quality material at very affordable rates.
All right, and that's a words from your mouth, right?
Yes.
Okay, can we show something else too? आ जाओ
Yes,
जी,
please.
कुछ और दिखाते हैं। तो दोस्तों BK स्टील कंपनी अपने लेकर आए हैं कई प्रोडक्ट्स कई तरह के। हाँ जी, इधर आ जाने
This
जी।
time we also have our circular saw machines, which we are cutting for high-speed cutting materials.
All right, ठीक है ठीक है।
As you can see, such a clear
Yeah,
chips are
precision
cutting.
quality, yeah, sharp edge, yeah, very crystal clear.
So basically, we have German machines in house as well.
all right, all right. So is it like easy to operate for a layman, for a laborman?
This is very easy. Also, as well as we have now servos, so things are becoming even much easier for layman also, and also for us also to check. Keep a
all right.
check
Now,
also.
sir, everybody is good at sales. What about after sales service or for space?
We already have approximately 7 to 10 sales centers, and over that we have 25 to 30 people employed all around India. So
right.
there is no problem for that. You
All
can
right.
always count on us.
Great. So coming to this first one, what's this section one?
These are our bandsaw blades.
Okay.
These we import from Germany.
All
Then
right.
we cut to exact size as per customer requirements.
All right.
After that, we weld them and supply after packaging.
Okay,
And
great.
these are the circular blades which we saw just right there in the circular machines. These are used there.
All right, good. Can we show some catalog to the person?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
This is our catalog.
All right. So dosto, just go through the catalog, pause the video, take the screenshot wherever you think is necessary for you, is useful for you. So with technical specifications, all the information, so everything in front of you in the video. Just pause the video, take the screenshot. Any questions, any queries, they will be happy to help you out. So alo ji, dosto, card front of you, Manish Madan, mobile number 98769 address and everything available on screen. Madan साहब, you are very old, 1956 से आप बता रहे हैं 56 से, so decades of experience. What about the new clients? Why should they trust you?
I believe new clients should already speak for themselves. It is better we ask the new clients, but as we all now know that we don't have new clients right now, so we'll have to ask from somebody as the clients are proceeding. You can
All
ask
right.
our new clients.
All right, all right.
So कैसा लगता है आपको हमसे माल लेके?
हाँ जी, पक्की बात है जी। एंड जेन्युइन चीज देते हैं, पूरी बढ़िया बढ़िया क्वालिटी है, यानी कि प्रत्यक्ष को प्रमाण की जरूरत नहीं है, सब कुछ सामने ही है। चलो, सो लॉन्ग लेगेसी, decades of experience. This is BK Steel Company for you, a complete house of tool, alloy and special steel. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.